Hello students, today we will start a new topic called seconds. Okay, students, second is another unit to measure the time. Students, some watches and clocks have a second hand. It is very second. It is very thinner and longer than the minute and hour hands. Second hand is moves very fast than the minute and hour hand. Okay, second hand moves very fast and cover one full circle across the clock face in 60 seconds. Okay, and remember 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, second hand is longer and thinner, okay, than the minute and hour, and it moves very fast and it covers one full circle across the clock face in 60 seconds. To read the time, students, we divide the clock face in two halves. This one we divide the clock face in two halves. Okay, this is one part and this is another part. Okay, one part is from 12 to 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6. One part is from 12 to 6, that is right side, and another is part from 6 to 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 6 to 12, that is left side. Now students, see how we measure the time. So for that, first of all, we have to know some basic things. So number one, students, when the minute hand is on the right side of the dotted line. See here, I draw a dotted line. This is a clock face and I dotted line from 12 to 6. Just see the minute hand. Okay, no matter where the hour hand is present, it present right side also or left side also, no matter, but you have to see just the minute hand, where the minute hand is present. Okay, when the minute hand is on the right side, here the minute hand is on 2, it is, this part is right side and this one is left side, this part is right. Okay, right side. When the minute hand is on right side of the dotted line, we read the time as minutes past. Remember, we read the time as minute past a given hour. So in the clock face, what is the time, students? See, this is smaller, that means this is a hour hand, right? And the minute hand is on 2. Then we say 1 is for, then we say 2 means 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. Cause students, from 12 to 1 there are 4 marking and the big marking number itself. So from here to there are 5 minutes, and again here to there are 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 minutes. So the time is 5.10, or we say minute past, that means minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes past, and the hour hand present in 5, and we say 5. 10 minutes past 5. Students, I hope understood. See the second example. Here the hour hand is present left side, no matter where the hour hand is present. Okay, we have to see where if the minute hand present on right side. Okay, this is minute hand present on right side, so the time is 8, and 1 denotes here the minute hand is on 1, then it's 5 minutes. 8.05. Understood? Minutes, listen student, minutes are always written with 2 digit. If we write here 8.5, then it is not correct. Okay, when you write minutes, always written with 2 digits, we write 8.05. This one is correct. Okay, so the time is 8 5:05 and we say minutes past a given hour, right? So 5 minutes past, 5 minutes past, and where the hour hand present? 8. 5 minutes past 8. I hope students all of you understood. And another topic is another in the second hand, another rule. See, when the minute hand is on left side, but in previous the minute hand is on right side. In that case, when the minute hand is on left side of the dotted line, we read the time as minutes to the next hour. But in the previous topic, when the minute hand present the right side, then we say minute past. If minute hand present in right side, then we say minute past. But in that case, if the minute hand present on left side, then we read the time minutes to the next hour. See the example. Here a dotted line from 12 to 6, and this one is right side and this one is left side. Okay, if the minute hand is on left side, then what is the time? See, the hour hand crossed the 6, it's about to reach. After 10 minutes, the hour hand reaching 7. So the time is 6, and here the minute hand is in 10. Then we 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. The time is 6.50, or we say, in that case, listen student, we read the time. If the minute hand is on left side, then we read the time minutes to the next hour. Okay, so see, after the minute hand is on 10, that means 50, and after 11 and 12, that means 5 minutes plus 5 minutes is equal to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the time is 7. Okay, after 10 minutes, the time is 7. So we write 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes, right? So 10 minutes to 7. 10 minutes to 7, because here minutes to the next hour. We write here next hour. Okay, after 10 minutes, 5 minutes plus 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, the time is 7. So we write 10 minutes to 7. I hope students, all of you understood. Thank you. Have a good day.